Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Hotwheels drift pack, and this one is the 2024 pack, and this costed me 900 rupees. I think you can see somewhere here. Yeah, 899, 900. And the cars in this one are like Ford Mustang GT and Camaro ZL1 and custom 18 Ford Mustang GT and Nissan Silvia S15 and one of their shit cars, which is the bulletproof. Okay, I really don't like the fantasy cars, but that's what we are getting. Okay, let me just open it. I don't want to damage this box because I have really too much of a space constraint now. I really want to keep it back in this box. Okay. Okay, here it is. Here, let me just put this aside. Okay, let's go one by one. Let's start from this. So this one is the custom 18 Ford Mustang GT. Okay, let's start with this. So the initial impressions, the car looks really nice, but the paint job is really shit. As usual, you can see there is issue with the paint job here. It's either scratched out. I really don't know how they are doing this, but every car which I unboxed, maybe apart from the Mad Make one, rest everything had paint issues. At least the ones which I bought. I'm really not sure about you guys. But apart from that, the car looks really nice, and I do remember it has some gimmick like this, right? Yeah. So you can do this. But I'm really not sure what's the point of this. Maybe it will give some speed boost or something. Aerodynamics and all. Okay, the livery looks really nice. It is saying Team Nightmare, which looks really nice. Okay, so the entire body is made of metal, including the spoiler here, and it has some good interior detailing to it. I hope you guys can see it. And the chassis is fully made of plastic. So let's do a roll test real quick. Okay, it rolls really nice. Not much of a wheel wobble. Front wheel has some wobble, but it still rolls really nice. Let me just flick it up and see how this one. Okay, it rolls really nice actually. Maybe it does make some difference. I'm really not sure. Okay, it rolls really nice. It looks really good as well. Let's put this aside and let's go to the next one, which is this is a stock Mustang, right? Yeah, this is the 13 Ford Mustang GT. So the liveries looks really nice. It is like very bright green with this power crash bang, this comic dialogues written on it. So the logo looks really nice, but there is no paint job for headlights or tail lights or anything. So this is a drag car, right? If I'm not wrong. And this one by default has this fender. Oh, sorry. Okay, I really forgot what what this is now. So this one is lifted up here. Okay, but rest of the thing looks really awesome, and I really love the fully transparent windshield and especially the hood here. It shows everything inside. So this is okay, for 179 rupees or so. This looks nice. It gives a lot of details actually. Okay, let's do a roll test real quick. It rolls really fast, nice, smooth. It does have a little wheel wobble on the front wheel, actually on both wheels, but still it actually rolls really nice, especially in the track. It will be a good addition, guys. If you guys are planning to buy this particular pack. So far, these two looks really nice. I don't see any paint job issues in this one, which I'm really happy about because I personally like this one just because of the color scheme and how they put it together. Personally, I really love comics, so that's that. And here comes the shit. Okay, so you guys look at it and tell me honestly how this one looks. So it just looks like a block of plastic. It doesn't look like metal either. It is plastic. Yeah, it is plastic. It is not metal. So both body and chassis is actually plastic. It is not metal. So and this they are selling for 179 rupees. In reality, this could be sold for 70 or 80 rupees, not more than that. But apart from that, I think the entire mold is actually made of this blue color. So see, if it is a plastic, you can actually mold it on the same color inside out. So I don't see any paint issues there because of that. The livery looks okay. I personally like this set of rims. The last year's Reventon had this set of rims, if I'm not wrong. Okay, let's do a roll test real quick now. Okay, it doesn't roll really well actually. With this much of force, it rolls. Okay, it doesn't roll really well. So I personally don't like this. Let's. I'm really not sure. So it has some interior detailing to it. It is fully pinked out. And let's keep this aside and let's take the Camaro. So this one is the 2017 Camaro ZL1. So I personally love Camaros and Mustangs both equally. So if you guys are wondering. So the paint job looks really shit. As you can see here, there are some paint blisters, as you can see. I think, yeah, here it is. And here also. I'm really not sure whether they just repacked the entire old things which they had. So this one also has the Team Nightmare livery. So the casting wise, it looks really nice. It's a solid casting, but the paint job is really shit. So it could have been a very beautiful car in the set, but the paint job, just because of the paint job, it is not really good. And there are no headlights or tail light details, nothing. So only the body is metal and the chassis is plastic. Let's do a roll test real quick. Okay, it rolls good. There is some wheel wobble in the front wheels. Rear wheel is okay. It rolls really nice. But still, I really can't bear the paint job. There's a lot of this paint bubbling and paint rashes and everything. Okay, let's put this aside. Last but not least, the one which got me attracted to this bag, which one is this, the Nissan Silvia S15. So it looks really beautiful. I hope I won't get any paint issues in this particular one. Okay, this one is a glittery purple and the livery looks so beautiful. It looks really nice. I really wish they had some kind of paint job for the headlights and tail lights, but no. It has some detailing on the chassis as well. So the chassis is actually plastic, body is metal. Good, it has actually rear view mirrors. It has some interior detailing to it. So I don't see any paint issue on this specific casting, which is honestly good because just for this casting I bought this 5-pack because I didn't see this outside in 2 packs. So even today I went to a mall and I saw it in Hamleys. They only had this getaways and all these things 2-packed, but not this specific one. Okay, let's do a roll test real quick. Okay. Okay, it doesn't have wheel wobble or anything. At least, okay, the front wheel has a little bit of wobble, but not the rear wheel. But it is not fast as the Camaro or both the Mustangs. But personally, if you ask me, I'm not going to play with it. But I really do love this casting just because of the paint job and the livery they put it together, and it looks really beautiful. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.